Hey you guys, happy Tuesday. I hope you guys are having an amazing week. If you guys are watching the replay on Facebook Live, always let me know in the comments with hashtag replay. And if you guys are watching on YouTube, don't forget to click subscribe right here at this button and give me a thumbs up if you guys find any sort of value in this video. Now, is TikTok being banned? Instagram's down, Facebook's down, LinkedIn is down, right? All of these things come flashing in our face, and what's the first thing that comes into our mind? Fear. And a lot of times, or should I say I'm going to make up this statistic that 99% of business owners only rely on one platform to hyper focus on to grow their vanity metrics on social media. And what I mean about vanity metrics is grow their following, okay? So what I want to discuss in this video is I want to give you guys 3 marketing strategies that you can use so you're not relying on one platform to grow your business. So the number one question, not number one, but one that I get quite frequently is, how many platforms do I need to be on social media for my business, right? And a lot of, you hear like chitter chatter, the people are like, only do one because, you don't want to go, balls to the wall right off the gate, right? If you're on more than one, then you're going to get overwhelmed. Like, don't let it freak you out. Mind you, that's not true. You want to be on as many platforms as you possibly can through repurposing your content, because if you are only relying on one social media platform for your business, more specifically still in 2020, you cannot host your business and be reliant on just one other business's platform. Social media is the vehicle to get our customer, our ideal client, to make the purchase, make the sale, what have you. Social media is the vehicle. Write that down. It's not the end of the sale, right? One like doesn't equal $1 in our business. Who wishes that was the case, right? One follower doesn't mean, cha-ching, $100 in your bank account. We have to get, social media is a vehicle. The customer finds our content. Okay, where do they go to next, right? So these are the 3 marketing strategies I'm going to give you if you're currently freaking out about the TikTok ban, if you're freaking out about, Instagram being down, if Facebook goes down, and you're only reliant on that for your business. So let's get into it. The 3rd tip is my favorite, so make sure you stay till the end. And it's actually, I feel like, the most valuable one. So the first tip that I have for you guys, in order to start repurposing your content and getting your followers from one social media channel to another, is start creating content that goes in sequences, okay? I want you guys to think about your favorite TV show. Usually has 8 to 12 episodes. You watch the first one and you're like, oh my God, I can't wait for the second episode. Oh my God, I can't wait for the next episode, right? That's what you want to start creating with your content through storytelling. Now, if you're a business, this works amazing with tutorials. So step 1, step 2, step 3. Now you're probably thinking, okay, I already do that. How can I get that from one platform to another? Now, because a lot of people only rely on time-sensitive social media platforms that only allow one link, which is typically the link in the bio, that's the star that I want you guys to write on your notepad if you're taking notes. Link in the bio. How can I get my follower? How can I get the attention that I'm getting from the content to then go to the link in the bio? And that's what you're going to include at the end of every TikTok post, Instagram description, Facebook description, whatever have you. As you're doing the story sequence, so let me give you an example. You can do a TikTok video. Let's just say all of your attention is on TikTok lately. You have 100,000 followers. Now you're nervous that the TikTok ban is coming. What you're going to do is that you're going to create a TikTok video. Let's just say it's a tutorial. You're not going to do the whole tutorial on TikTok, okay? Let's say you do 3 parts. The first part is on your TikTok. At the end of the video, click the link, or you can type it in, click the link in the bio to see the rest of the tutorial. So when you do that, the link in the bio can be an Instagram post to an IGTV. It can be a YouTube channel. It can be a LinkedIn post. It can be wherever you're hosting, wherever you want people to go, that's where the link can be. It can be a blog post, okay? When you're taking that, so when you tell people to do this, what's happening is they come to your TikTok. Because remember, social media is the vehicle, right? We get their attention. They're hopping on the train, right? That you want to keep them on the train as long as you can to hopefully get them towards your end result. So when they're on your TikTok video, they're watching your video, they're loving it. At the end, don't give it all away. Tell them to go click the link in the bio to take them to the next stop. Now, when they do that, they're naturally inclined, if you're creating great content, to follow you wherever you're directing them to. So that's one way that you can start getting people from your TikTok to another social media channel. And I know I'm mentioning TikTok, but like I said, this goes for any social media platform. If you want people to go from your Instagram to your Facebook group, if you want them to go from Instagram to your YouTube channel, I do this all the time on LinkedIn to get them from my LinkedIn to my YouTube channel. Now, I do that primarily because my videos are so long and that's where I host all my videos. But where do I start my videos? I start them on a Facebook Live, which whoever's watching live right now, let me know in the comments. I'm on Facebook Live, and then I had this epiphany where I was like, oh my gosh, only the people in my Facebook group are seeing the information that I'm delivering. Why am I doing that to myself? I need to put this on YouTube. So I started putting that on YouTube, and the content that I create that's relevant to that audience is where I disperse it across social media. So I'm no longer reliant on my Facebook group in order to get the views and whatever. I now repurpose that content onto YouTube. So if I create a LinkedIn marketing tutorial, I'm going to also put this on LinkedIn because it's relevant to every social media platform. When I create value-based content and I put that onto LinkedIn, they're going to want to click on it to learn that information. Okay, so do you guys see how I'm not reliant on one social media platform? I'm on Pinterest, which is my absolute favorite one. Pinterest, LinkedIn, Tumblr, not TikTok. Pinterest, LinkedIn, Tumblr, Instagram, Facebook page, Facebook group. I know I'm going to be forgetting one and it's going to be like a duh, but you guys get my drift. So this is one marketing strategy that I love to use where you're doing the story sequence. So like I said, what a story sequence is like you have like, it can be a 2-part, it can be 3-part. You can drip it out over a day, 2 days, 3 days, whatever have you. This is very popular in email marketing. We're just taking that and putting it into social media. But another thing too is that we're not just keeping it onto one platform, we're evolving the story across multiple platforms. And what that helps you do is not to be reliant on one social media platform. So if TikTok gets banned, Instagram goes down, Facebook goes down, you guys have an option to have that following. So to be honest, when I see a platform's going down, I really don't quite frankly care because I know that every single day I'm repurposing that content across multiple channels. Okay, so the second marketing strategy that I have for you guys is to host a giveaway. Who doesn't love giveaways, right? Everyone loves giveaways, but you can't give away, a sticker because no one's going to invest their time and energy into winning a sticker, right? Make it something of value that your audience loves or they can use to improve upon with. This doesn't have to be high in monetary value. It just has to be relevant to your audience. So for example, I could give away AirPods, right? I could give away, a mini speaker that's $50. I could pair up with another influencer and do a giveaway. I see those all the time on Instagram. And that's a great way to do giveaways is to pair up with a couple influencers in your niche. Y'all can chip in to give away something. And then you know the drill. You've seen this all over Instagram. Make sure they follow, tag 3 friends. You follow all the influencers that are contributing into this giveaway. Now, how does this have to do with dispersing your following? Same deal. Whether you're starting on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook group, what have you, you're doing this giveaway, right? Be like, in order to enter, click the link in the bio, right? So then they go and click the link in the bio. They're going over to, or you can say, link in the bio, click the link in the bio and see my first Instagram post, okay? So if they're on TikTok and they see that they want to enter this giveaway and they need to go to your Instagram to enter the giveaway, they're going over to Instagram, your first Instagram post. What does your post say? In order to enter this giveaway, here are 3 rules. Follow me, tag 2 BFFs, tell me what you're gonna do with insert item here, okay? And when you do that, you're naturally growing your following on another channel. So like I said, you can take, this can be from LinkedIn to Instagram. It can be from Instagram to LinkedIn. It can be from LinkedIn to YouTube, insert social media platform here. You know, don't take the platforms that I say literally. It's just an example. You can do this on any social media platform. I'm just gonna add this in there. This is why I love Pinterest so much, is because every Pinterest post comes with a link, which is why Pinterest is so amazing for passive marketing. I'm gonna link one of my Pinterest tutorials up here for you guys to check out. So yeah, the first one was the story sequence. The second marketing strategy I have for you guys is the giveaway. And the third one, which is what I said is my favorite one of all, the most valuable, is to get people on your email list, okay? That's not the sexiest one. That's not the one where you're like, okay, nope. Get people on your email list. And if you don't, this works best for people that literally don't know how to use social media. They're like, I hate social media. I don't know what to do, right? Use social media. Like I said, it's the attention vehicle. Don't, create emotional attachments around your social media following. One like doesn't equal $1. One, follower doesn't equal 100. There doesn't need to be an emotional attachment between vanity metrics and, scaling that between if your business is successful or not. It's all about the revenue you get in from the attention you're getting from your social media posts. So why is building an email list so important is because then you're not reliant on any of the social media platforms. And then you can keep that constant communication with them daily and tell them, hey, I just uploaded a new training on YouTube, go check this out. Hey, I just created this TikTok video, go check it out. Hey, a new Instagram post, you guys get my drift, right? So when you do the email list, how do you direct that from a social media channel to your email list? The same thing, like I said, if you learn anything from this video, it's all about utilizing the link in the bio. So you're gonna create a post, you're gonna tell them to go to the link in the bio, click the link in the bio, and obviously there has to be a reason for you doing that. You can't just be like, okay, I made an email list, go click it and join. Because a lot of people, even though some will, a lot won't. So give them a reason, be like, I'm gonna give you free discount codes to my products and services. You get a free, necklace when you sign up for my email list. You get a free 20% off code when you sign up for my email list. You guys know your business better than I do. Get creative to get people to sign up for your email list. Usually if you give them something, then you'll get in return their email address. And why that's my absolute favorite one is because you're no longer reliant on your follower count. You're no longer reliant on the vanity metrics. It's all about keeping in consistent communication with somebody through email. So I'm gonna go through my 3 marketing tips so you guys never have to freak out again. If you guys, or if a social media platform goes down, if TikTok gets banned, if, insert social media platform here gets banned, you want to start repurposing your content now for the sheer fact of what I said. Social media, the only thing that it is an attention vehicle, okay? I want to elaborate on that. Social media isn't something that you just grow and then you just get a gold medal for hitting 50,000 followers. You don't get a gold medal for hitting 100,000 followers. What are you doing intentionally to grow your following? So they like you, not your follower count. So you get them results, not just results where it's like, okay, I was featured in Forbes and, I have 500,000 followers. It's like, okay, but how do you help other people, right? That literally is only gonna get you so far. So before I wrap it up, if you guys love this video so far, I'd be so appreciative if you give me a thumbs up on the Facebook Live and YouTube. And if you're on YouTube and you want to stay tuned for more social media marketing tips, don't forget to click subscribe right here with this button. So I'm going to go through my 3 steps again. First one is story sequence. So like I said, you're going to start creating, I want you to think like a Friends episode, or I want you to think of the Office episodes, right? Where you literally watch it and you're like, oh my gosh, I can't wait to see what happens next week. Whereas with social media, it could be tomorrow or on another social media platform. Create that post, And like I said, it doesn't have to be anything crazy. Don't think that you have to be funny to do this. Don't think you have to be super creative. Make it a tutorial, make it an FAQ about your business. Make it like start having somebody tell a story or maybe a testimonial, and then they can see the end of it on another social media channel. It's just the story sequence. Break it up, have the next half be in the link in the bio so they have something to click on because you're telling them to click on it. And then they go to the other social media channel and then probably will follow you there. The second one is a giveaway. Like I said, if you don't have money, if you don't know what to give away, just make sure it's something like you would want to get personally. It doesn't have to be high in monetary value. And if it is, partner up with other influencers. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a post and then you're going to direct them, be like, go enter in the link in the bio. Link in the bio is another social media platform. On that post, you're going to tell them how to enter, follow, tag, share. Okay. So it's so important also that if you're following any of these 3 marketing strategies is that you're actively telling your ideal client to click the link in the bio. This is called a call to action. If you're not telling them what to do, they're not going to do it. Okay. Tell them what to do so then they click on it. And then you can get the result that you want. Because if you kind of just put the link in the bio there and you're just like, oh my gosh, no one's clicking the link in the bio, why would they? Right? If you're not telling me what I'm getting in return, then I'm probably not going to click on the link in the bio, right? So the third tip, which is my absolute favorite, is to use the link in the bio to start growing your email list. You can give something in return, free shipping, 15% off. If you have a jewelry store, free necklace, free, insert something here. You can be like, you're entered to win in a raffle to win one of my courses for free if you sign up for my email list. And the best thing about growing the email list is that you're no longer reliant on a social media platform to grow your business. The business is in the email list, okay? So another great thing about the email list too is that you can stay in direct communication and still add those links to all of your social media platforms. So if you have an email, you can be like, hey, I just started a YouTube channel, click the link here. And they're not going to think of it as spammy because the whole point of an email list is almost like a Dear Diary, right? You're just keeping up with them daily. So that's all I have to say for today. If you guys love this video, let me know in the comments. Give me a thumbs up if you guys love this. Don't forget to click subscribe right here on YouTube. And if you guys have any more questions related to social media marketing, always let me know in the comments because your question could quite literally and anonymously be the topic of my next live stream. So I hope you guys have an amazing week and I will see you guys on the next live stream. Bye guys.